3 things I wish I knew before I started modeling. Let's get into it.
Hi Modelpreneurs, my name is Vanance, model coach, and the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. So for the best modeling tips and planning tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video.
Hi Modelpreneurs, welcome back to my channel. It is Vanance, Miss Cameroon. I'm back here with a new video. I hope you all got your tea. I hope you got your tea. Please, let me drink mine first. Ooh. Today we are going to focus on the 3 things that I wish I knew when I first started modeling. And these are like the 3 main things I feel like most beginners need to know to be able to achieve your big modeling goals. Okay, so with my journey when I first started modeling, of course I didn't know a lot of things like most of us, you know, when we're starting, and I always wish I had someone that could guide me, someone that was there to kind of guide me along my journey. And I always wish that I really had someone to do that for me. And I used to DM models, email them, and try to figure out how they started. They would literally see my message on social media. They would block me, unfollow me when they like found out that I wanted to know, because they felt like I would be a competition. But you know, I always knew that I didn't want to be that for other models. I wanted to use my platform to kind of help them and guide them, because I didn't have that for myself. So yeah, that's what we're doing with Model to Modelpreneur. If you don't know, yes. I knew that this journey was not going to be easy, but once I started doing it, I was like, shit, this shit is not easy. I was like, wait, this shit is actually not easy. You know what I mean? Like, I already had my mindset when I started. And when you're young, you know, people are always like, oh my God, your daughter is so pretty. Oh my God, you are so pretty. Like, you should be a model. I remember in high school, they were always like, oh my God, like, you're so beautiful. You should be an American Next Top Model. So obviously, when everybody is telling you that you should do it, you feel like you're gonna get in the industry, you're gonna break through, you're gonna be this, you're gonna be that, you're gonna be the best, right? Bitch, not knowing that there's like thousands and millions of other girls that are like trying to be models, you know. So it's a journey, it's a process. You really have to understand that. I really wish that I, like, right when I first started, I understood that, okay, this is going to be a process. I'm not just gonna start, you know, jump in the industry and become signed and do all of this and do all of that and just start booking all these gigs, working with Nike, working with it. No, it doesn't work like that. It's a whole process. You have to learn along the way, you know. It literally took me 4 years to get signed with a freaking agency, and I did everything that they say, you know, like go to the website, go on Google, type modeling agencies near me, take pictures of yourself. I did all of that shit for like 4 years, and I thought I was gonna get signed by that time. Like, it was just so freaking hard to get an agency to basically find me. So what I decided to do is I decided to take the matters in my own hands and make the agencies notice me. I use social media, I use my Instagram, I use my iPhone. I started putting together my own photo shoots. I started booking my own shoots. Like, I started really actually helping myself before people started helping me. So you literally have to start by helping yourself before you're gonna see that people are gonna notice. They're going to notice you, they're going to try to help you. And that's how you're gonna end up maybe getting signed, like I did. I ended up getting signed through social media, through my pictures going viral. So, you know, that's what you should do. Use your iPhone and get signed that way, because the other way that everybody is saying, it is not easy, but you know, it's all good. I always felt like I needed to be a signed model to be a successful model. You don't need to be a signed model to be a successful model. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You do not need to be a signed model to be a successful model. You just need to learn. If you know how to market yourself, you don't need the agencies. The agencies need you. They need you. It's literally the opposite way around. They are working for you. You are not working for them. So I wish that I really knew this when I first started, because honestly, the way I'm feeling with agencies right now is First of all, I feel like they like take so much control of your look. I feel like if you want to be really free, they take so much control of your brand. You know, that's why it took me so long to actually get signed. It actually took me a longer time because I wasn't trying as hard as I wanted to get signed, if that makes sense. Like, I didn't try as hard. I feel like if I had tried really hard, I was gonna get signed sooner than I thought. But it's just because of, in my head, I already kind of knew that they were gonna take control of my brand, and I wasn't really comfortable with that. That's kind of how I feel right now with me being signed to 2 agencies. I feel like they've already marketed me as like that Afro girl, and you know, like the typical black girl with the Afro and stuff. So now I feel like that's what I'm stuck to do. But if you look at my brand and you look how I used to really style myself and did my own shoot, I was so creative. Now like with agencies, you have to be so simple. Your makeup gotta be simple. You can't like wear acrylics, like all of those things. Like, they just like kind of take control of your brand, of your whole brand. Like, you cannot do a lot of things. I understand why though. Like, I understand why. The reason why is because like when a client wants to book you, right, they need to make sure that you look as natural as possible, because they're already going to add all those things on you. They're going to do your makeup, they're going to do all of that. So they need to make sure that you have like a specific look and you don't look too much, like your nails are really like natural, you don't have too much makeup on. Like, they need to see that natural you know what I mean? So I understand, but it's like, as a creative or someone who's like, who doesn't let people control your brand so much, is really hard, and you might end up losing yourself. I just want you to understand that like, you don't need to be a signed model to be successful. If you really know how to brand yourself as a professional model, you can still book your own gig. You can still do all of this by yourself using social media. Okay, I did this for 4 years before I actually got signed. I was my own manager. I was my own everything. Okay. My throat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Queen. Okay. Before I continue this video, comment down below and let me know where you live, and if you are just starting modeling or you are already a established model. Let me know down below. Comment, and I want to know. I always felt like I needed to invest so much money to be a model. Like, I feel like I needed to spend so much money to do this. You don't. You really don't. When I first started modeling, I was a full-time student. I was on YouTube. I had 2 jobs. I was doing all of these things, and I didn't have that much money. I was a freaking college student. You know, if you're a college student right now, I know, like, you don't have that much money right now to be spending on photographers, spending on photo shoots, on shoes, on bags, on clothes, and all of those things. You don't. The models that end up thinking in that way, they end up not actually putting out work, overthinking, spending so much money, investing in like all these photographers that are even gonna give you crappy ass pictures. Like, no, you don't need to do that. Let me tell you what you should do. You literally buy things and you return it. So I did this when I first started modeling. This is what I used to do. I used to go to H&M, Forever 21, all of those stores. I would make sure that they had a return policy. I would buy clothes that literally style a whole look there, tape the bottom of my shoes, and I would work with photographers, style my whole look and everything, and then go and return that shit. Like, what? I did this, okay? I did this, and I'm telling you, this is how I started modeling. I ended up not spending nothing. Like, the only thing I would spend on is like maybe the gas to go to the photo shoot, making sure I have the connection with photographers, all of that. Like, I literally would go and spend money on these clothes and then get that money back, you know, and then reinvest it and get the money of the clothes, go and buy the clothes, style my next outfit, go shoot with it. Like, I kept doing that. That's how I was able to produce like a lot more work. The solution also is, if you don't want to invest in a photographer at the moment, is to start with your iPhone. Like, the iPhone is so good, like especially the newest one, like the camera quality just keep getting better and better. So honestly, like, go ahead and start with your iPhone. Use your iPhone, create a bunch of different photo shoots, take pictures with it, get a tripod, all of that, and like literally start taking pictures with your iPhone. Stop waiting on people, because if you wait on people, they're not gonna come to help you. No one is coming to help you. I am though. I can help you. Believing in those 3 myths will stop you from actually achieving your goals, and it's going to make sure that your confidence is so low. You're not going to be producing any work. You're just going to be waiting and waiting and waiting for someone to come help you. So you need to start taking the action right now. And if you need someone to help you, take the action. Get to the next level with your brand. I am hosting a free masterclass, how to start modeling with your iPhone. Let me repeat, it's a free class. Click down below, join it, and let's workshop together, and I'm going to teach you how to start modeling with your iPhone. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the notification button to make sure that you are aware when I post my next video, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye. Bye, queen.